Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Sort of ish. It's not really a vlog today. Today we're taking you guys along to our Walmart grocery order pickup and just kind of doing a little grocery haul for you, showing you what we get to feed our giant crew of children. And Grandnana's here, which means that this guy and I are solo in the vehicle.
How many
right
times
now.
do we ever get, like, we just don't get to ride in the car by ourselves often.
Yeah, no, we don't. So it's kind of nice, not gonna lie. So we are heading up to Walmart to do our grocery pickup. And then we will also show you guys what we got.
Let's get it.
Walmart grocery order pickup is seriously one of the best inventions ever. It's pretty genius and handy. Now obviously we don't have any kids with us, but normally I would have a whole car full of kids with us. Just sitting in the car waiting for them to bring out the groceries. Yes, please. Alright guys, we're back. We got all the groceries laid out here. This is about a week's worth of groceries. Remember that we have 7 kids. We're a family of 9 total. Also, Grandnana's in town and they're doing some baking. So there's a few additional things, but this is legit like...
And we just did our Costco order the other day too. We did a
yeah,
Costco
this is
order.
not including our Costco stuff, but this is about a week of groceries without our Costco stuff. Yeah, because we usually get a bunch of milk and bread and eggs from Costco. Okay guys, so this is, we get 2 packages of these little salamis, and I will be honest, I'm usually the one who eats these. I snack on salamis. It's just like a good quick grabby protein. So we get the Genoa salami and the hard salami. We've got some steam fresh, which is like the greatest thing ever. Some corn. Why we got 3 bags of corn, I don't know, but you know how I feel about corn. Mixed vegetables. These are the small ones. Usually we get the family size of these, the Zatarain's Jambalaya. So obviously they were out of the big family size box. And they also gave us the reduced sodium one. Pooh. A whole bunch of graham crackers. Babies love graham crackers. We got some tomatoes and some eggs. Some big grapes. This is for baking. We've got some chocolate stuff. We've also got 2 things of spaghetti noodles. Again, we usually buy this at Costco in the big box. Apparently somebody finagled Dad into ordering Pringles, because that is not a normal order. Got some condensed milk for more baking stuff. What's that? Yeah? Some Kerrygold butter? What do you have over here? What's this? Cheese? Cheese? That's coffee, cheese, and coffee. Cheese, cheese, and coffee. Ketchup? You touching everything? More Pringles. Okay, I'm gonna lose my place, Millie. Cuteness is distracting me. Oh look, some iceberg lettuce that'll probably get thrown away in a week when it's moldy. We've got some cucumbers, some celery, sugar, 2 loaves of bread, 2 gallons of milk, 2 gallons of milk. We've got some steam fresh green beans and broccoli. Bully, what are you showing us? You got your maple brown sugar oatmeal? You love oatmeal? Yeah? We got some apples. Can you say apple?
She goes,
Can you say apple? And we've got some shredded cheese here. Crispix. A whole bunch of pepperoni. This is called like a Hail Mary dinner. Some classic corn dogs. Who doesn't love some corn dogs? Some elbow noodles, which makes me laugh really hard. If you've seen the latest episode of the Sister Show, you'll know why. Elbow noodles. Tater tots. You're stealing the show. Hot dog buns. Did we get hot dogs? We have hot dog buns, but I don't think we have hot dogs.
Oh,
Guys, okay. Paper towels, sweet potatoes, and some good old Aunt Jemima buttermilk pancake mix. We also got some bananas over here.
Well, he just ate the coffee.
You got hot dog buns, but no hot dogs.
2 things of Hebrew National, or the Hebrew all beef ones.
They're not here.
For that?
You better check your
I
order.
didn't add them to cart.
You better check your order. Oh, and I skipped over the Outshine All Fruit popsicles. Coconut and strawberry lime.
I like the coconut.
This is what happens when the kids get to help Dad do the grocery order and Mom's not a part of it.
He's like, Shelby,
Things
what
like
do you
this
want? I'm like, Mom,
and this and that end up in the cart.
Oh, wait, let me find it. Oh, wait,
What are you looking for, Boo-Boo? What are you...
Yeah, 2 things of Hebrew National.
Are you trying to eat an apple?
That's my cheese.
Are you trying to eat an apple? That's cheese. Cheese. We can't show sister and not show you because you look adorable today. Where's Ivy? Look at how cute she looks. Oh, are we playing Nintendo?
Don't flip yourself over there. He's getting his food.
Is it so good? Is it so good? Mmm. Yay, apple! Yay! Woohoo! Oh, there goes the bow. Alright guys, that's it for our Walmart grocery haul this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Let us know if you want to see more grocery hauls in the future. And we'll see you guys soon. Can you say bye-bye?